Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for Geo-Templates. Geo-Templates are merely a collection of locations that you build up to make your life easier when you want to attach geo-targeting to multiple campaigns without going through the hassle of attaching locations one by one on every campaign. Geo-Templates do not apply any filtering to any campaigns. It is merely a collection of locations that will make your life easier for you. If you want to apply these locations, you need to click on the Copy from Template button that is found in the geo-targeting section of a campaign. If you don't know where that is, just check out our geo-targeting tutorial and you'll better understand what I'm talking about now. But for now, I'm just going to explain how to build a geo-template. Let's get right into the tutorial. To create a geo-template, click on the Create button in the toolbar and just give your template a name. We'll call it Tutorial. Confirm the creation of your template, and now you have an empty template of geolocations. If you want to edit the name, you can click on the Edit button over here, or simply delete your template entirely by clicking on the Delete button over there. Go into your template to see which locations are available in this template, which locations you have added as a collection. As you can see, no locations are on this template, so now we want to add some. Let's add a city of Johannesburg. And just to show you the ability of the templates, we're going to add two locations. Let's pick that one. And then let's add another location. Let's add the United States. Search for your location, pick the relevant result, that one, perfect. It's added to the template. And now you have a collection of locations that you can use to easily attach geo-targeting information to campaigns. Please note that currently no geo-targeting is applied to campaigns. This is merely a collection of locations. You can delete locations simply by clicking them in the table and clicking on the Delete button. Now, to make use of a geo-template, you go to the campaign that you want to apply geo-targeting to. You click on the campaign, you navigate to the More button here, click on geo-targeting. If you don't know how geo-targeting works, please watch our tutorial on that. And now if you click on the Copy from Template button, it'll bring up all the templates in your geo-templates section that you have created. You can now select a template to simply copy over all the locations from there. This makes your life much easier instead of adding the locations one by one to many campaigns. And that's pretty much the purpose of a geo-template. It's to collect locations together and then apply the template as a whole to a campaign so that you don't have to do it individually. And that's pretty much the tutorial for geo-templates. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.